Hi, I'm Tim Jung with Call It Closed International Realty, and I'm at 1333 Pump Station Road here in Kannapolis, North Carolina today. We're going to do a video tour of the interior of the home, and then we'll end up with an exterior yard tour, if you will. So let's get rolling and move ahead. Living room has a cathedral ceiling or a vaulted ceiling. Is more the case here. This is your living room. You have laminate wood floors in the living room and in the hallway. Moving into the open kitchen, you have ceramic tile floor. Laundry room is just off the kitchen to the right with nice shelving. Kitchen has an open pantry area. Cabinets are solid oak, and the island table here with the stools stays with the property. Laminate countertops. Self-cleaning oven, microwave. The refrigerator shown here is negotiable with the price. Let's walk back out and you can see the open concept here from the kitchen to the living room. And we'll turn left into the primary bedroom, which has a very beautiful bay window overlooking this sanctuary area of the yard. And then moving down this hallway, you've got lots of storage, both drawers and shelving. To the right, to the left, open the door, a nice large walk-in closet. And then at the end of the hallway is your primary bath. The bath does have an oak vanity with a marble look, cultured marble top, as does the hall bathroom. You do have vinyl floors and lots of natural sunlight coming through the back window with the shades. Moving to the other side of the house. In the hallway, there's a storage cabinet here. Hall bath. Again, you have the marble look, cultured marble top with oak cabinets and vinyl floor. Recently replaced toilets. Moving on down the hallway, the back bedroom don't think there's a light in there, but a nice large deep closet, walk-in closet. And then your third bedroom or office or TV room. Is on the front of the house. Nice closet. And then moving back through the kitchen area. In the door we come to sunroom. Which can be used as a dining room. There are two side entrances, one to the left. The sunroom is heated, has heating and air conditioning off the central unit. And off to the left, you have a nice large deck. And then there was a jacuzzi here. We took the jacuzzi out. Power's still out here. And it's a nice grilling station, another seating area, if you will. We'll look at the yard, the trees. A little above ground gardening going on there. Beautiful cedar trees, tall cedars. I like to call this area a little sanctuary area. It's nice and peaceful and quiet around here with a bird bath. Put a little bench out here, a nice place to come out and sit and read, enjoy the outdoors, enjoy the nature. Storage unit. Storage building. And then we'll make our way back around to the front yard. There is water runoff, most likely into the yard. There is adequate drainage here for the yard. Nice lower pedalums. And then for security reasons, I guess there is not a gate on this side of the fence. And winding back in front of the house, we'll conclude the video. Thank you for watching.